sends me off to a long job. Yes, you do. The way you squeeze and tease knocks me to my knees. 'Cause I'm smoking, baby.